Hello friends, today we have fraction and recurring problem number 2. This type of problems are asked in competitive exams like CAT, MAT, GMAT, Bank PO, Railway exam, Income Tax, UPSC exam, MBA, MCA, etc. So today I am going to explain how to solve this type of problems. Let's start. If 1 plus 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by 4 into 1 plus 1 by 6 into 1 plus 1 by 8 into 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 5 into 1 minus 1 by 7 equal to 1 plus 1 by x, then find the value of x. So in this question we have 1 plus 1 by 2, 1 plus 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by 4 into 1 plus 1 by 6 into 1 plus 1 by 8 into 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 5 into 1 minus 1 by 7, and this is equal to 1 plus 1 by x. So here we have four brackets in plus, 1 plus 1 plus like that, and 3 in negative, 1 minus 1 minus. So generally this type of questions we solve for first 3 पॉजिटिव ब्रैकेट्स एंड लास्ट 3 हम इनको सॉल्व करेंगे एंड सेंटर वाले को हम ऐसे का ऐसा ही छोड़ देंगे. इट मीन्स दिस इम्प्लाइज 2 plus 1 4 plus 1 into 6 plus 1, and center term 1 plus 1 by 8. Now next 3 minus 1, 5 minus 1, and 7 minus 1. So this is equal to 1 plus 1 by x. This implies 3 by 2 into 5 by 4 into 7 by 6 bracket 1 plus 1 by 8. Now into 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 into 6 by 7, and this is equal to 1 plus 1 by x. So now from here 2 cancel out, 3 and 3, 5 and 5, 4 and 4, 7 and 7, and 6 and 6. So we have only 1 plus 1 by 8 equal to 1 plus 1 by x. Now comparing both the sides, left hand side and right hand side, we get this implies x equal to 8. So our answer is 8. The value of x is 8. I hope you liked today's video. For more such type of questions, there are the links in the description. Tomorrow I will be uploading next video, so please hit the bell icon to not miss the upcoming videos. Thank you.